4 years intervention, and the financial management is still far from up to par. In 2013, the accountant had 5 points that he had problems with, and now how many they have? 12, 13? And we are now in 2021. And why I mentioned, well, unfortunately this is a central committee meeting and not an island council meeting. Politics usually you do a debate in the island council, but we don't have that opportunity. What I like to bring to the table is that basically we are under an intervention which is extended because the government commission is not producing. And of course I look at the acting government commission, who is there not so long. But the institute as government commission is failing, because this should have been solved at least 2 or 3 years ago already, and we are still in the middle of it. And I think we have to take notice of that. And there's also a point that we have to discuss in The Hague next week or the week after, when we meet with the parliament, because this is ridiculous. This is keeping back our return to democracy. And that is unfair towards the people, and that is unfair towards the island council. It's not our fault, it is your fault. And of course, and he said that it is continuity government, so I have to look at you, I cannot look at your predecessor. This is unfair to us, and also that you have to take into consideration also when you talk with us about the return to democracy and about the timetable. This is out of our control. This is because the government commission institution is not functioning, and I'd like to leave it at that.